In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quantity on Shopify. This process is foundational for ensuring you have a clear understanding of your inventory and can manage your stock levels effectively. Managing inventory is crucial for any business, and Shopify makes it relatively straightforward. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your stock levels accurately reflect what you have available, helping you avoid overselling and keeping your customers happy. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, navigate over to your Products section on the left-hand menu of your Shopify dashboard. This section is where you will find all the products you currently have listed on your Shopify store. Now scroll through your product list to find the specific product you'd like to update or simply use the search bar for quicker access. Click on the product's name to open up its detailed view. Once you're in the product's detailed view, look for the section that says Inventory. Here, you'll find an option labeled Track Quantity. You need to tick this box. By doing so, you're essentially telling Shopify that you want to enable inventory tracking for this specific product. This step is crucial because if you don't track your inventory, Shopify won't reduce the quantity sold when a customer purchases an item, which could lead to overselling. After you have ticked the box for tracking, you'll see some additional fields appear, allowing you to input the current quantity of stock that you have for this product. Adjust the numbers to accurately represent how many units you have on hand. It's important to be as accurate as possible with this number because it directly impacts your sales capacity online. Furthermore, Shopify provides an option to add a reason for adjusting your inventory numbers. This feature can be accessed in the same section. If you've adjusted the stock number for a particular reason, such as replenishing the stock, a stock take adjustment, or marking some items as damaged or returned, it might be beneficial to make a note of it here. This is especially useful for keeping your records accurate and knowing the historical changes of your inventory, which is helpful for future reference or audits. Once you're satisfied with the entries, remember to save your changes. You'll find the Save button typically at the top or bottom right of the page. Saving often is a good habit to ensure no progress is lost, especially after making important changes to your store's products. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the inventory quantity for a product on Shopify. Keeping an accurate count of your stock can significantly improve your store's operations and customer satisfaction by ensuring products are consistently available when needed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify!